Hello everyone, this is Akatech Yugi as usual. So into this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to download and install the Salt Media application. The Njili of Pastor Bujingo. Yeah, Chidona Misana Njili. So go to the Google Play Store application, then get to search for Salt Media app. Then it's over here, so tap install. We're gonna wait for it. It's gonna take some time, but just get to sit down as we wait for it. It's gonna take a few minutes. Let's wait for it. The Salt Media application. Femunyo Salt Media. So then get to tap open. Yeah, so right now we are onto the Salt Media application, guys. We then get to allow the notifications, and here we are onto the Salt Media application. You can get to watch a couple of shows onto this application, a lot of videos, interviews, a lot of content is over here. Videos of Pastor Bujingo, a lot of things. You can also get to listen to Pastor Bujingo's Njiri. It's playing right now. So that's how basically you can get to download and install the Salt Media application. Thank you.